So, here's what we're looking like on Monday. I think it's the 26th. And so for my friends whose YouTube channel shows I missed, this is why. Here's my pod storage unit. A little bit of snow here. So believe it or not, this was all down right to the blacktop last night. When I went in, I did this all the way down to the blacktop and the whole width of the driveway. I mean, sidewalk, but they pushed and plowed all that heavy stuff in, so I went at it again this morning until the batteries couldn't take it anymore on the little Snow Joe. So we'll take a walk up here, and right there is the front door of the house. It's a good thing we don't use that, huh? So, quite a bit of snow. I don't know, I would guess a little over 2 feet maybe. Of course, this is the main bus route here, so they were plowing this with wheel loaders and plow blades on the front. So I shoveled yesterday until my body hurt. Came out and just shoveled a quick path this morning out to the road. And run the little Snow Joe till the batteries couldn't handle it anymore. There's the back door of the house. Running out of places to put the snow, and they're calling for, I don't know, another 6 inches, 8 inches or something today. We'll see. Here's the old 54 flathead. Completely snowed on one side. Of course, I shoveled that out so I could get in my unit. That's where I keep this thing. That's what I've been using. That and the old hand-powered shovel up there, buried. You can't really see it. The old yellow shovel. But as you can see, definitely got some snow. Flies hard. Fortunately, it was windy enough, everything blew off the top of the pods container, so I didn't have to worry about that plastic roof caving in. Plus, it's so damn cold that it ended up being dry snow, even though it's a lot. It's not heavy wet snow like we had back in '78. But certainly over 2 feet of it, without a doubt. Alright, well, I'm going to go in and have another cup of coffee and wait for the batteries to charge up, and I'll come back out to the electric little unit, which is nothing fancy, but it sure as hell beats throwing shovel after shovel after shovel full. So I'll use that as much as I can. Can hear the neighbor running his over there. Alright, back in for more coffee.